Hey everyone, so this is just a quick demo of how to install Node.js. So you're going to go ahead and click on Node.js. And then for this demo, I'm using Windows and I'm using a 64-bit machine. If you're not sure if you're on 64-bit or 32-bit, you can type in 64-bit and then under system type, this will say either 64-bit or 32-bit. So that should help answer the question. So I'm on 64-bit. On a Mac, you can click on this and it'll install the latest as well. Cool. So we're going to say open file. Next, you're going to read all this license. You don't actually have to scroll down if you choose to be one of those people that don't read the license. Say next, 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 install. There's a UAC pop-up. I don't know if that recorded that said Node.js. Say yes to that. Cool, and it's been completed. So we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and open a command window. Or a cinnamon stick. Sorry, I have a big microphone in my face. Okay, and that's not the same version I was using, but that's okay. It shouldn't really matter. And this version is a little bit newer than the one I'm using. That's okay. And the OS is also just, Windows 10, but it doesn't matter. My build here is also a little bit newer than what I was developing on. So at that point, Node is installed. Thanks for watching.